Supreme Court decision shifts abortion laws to each state. Here in Colorado, our Democratic governor and legislature passed a new law this year to affirm access to abortion in Colorado. News 5's Bill Folsom is joining us in the studio with more. Bill.
Yeah, Diane, even before the leaked information about the Supreme Court draft showing a likely overturn of Roe v. Wade, Colorado Democratic lawmakers feared the 50-year-old decision could be overturned. They took action. The Supreme Court's overturn of Roe v. Wade means abortion laws will now be decided by individual states.
You're going to have 50 different conflicts over the policy.
We had a feeling this was coming from the Supreme Court, but we were also paying attention to what was happening in other states and laws that were being passed in other states to actually prohibit access to abortion.
Pueblo Representative Danae Esgar is the House Majority Leader at the Colorado Legislature. She and other pro-choice lawmakers saw a need to add some strength to Colorado's abortion laws. That law was passed in both chambers that are controlled by Democrats, and it was signed by Colorado's Democratic governor.
What this law does is takes the access that was already available in Colorado and just solidifies that right into our state statutes, into law. So women have full access to abortion and have full access to all reproductive health care without any restrictions here in Colorado.
The House Minority Leader, Republican Hugh McKee, released a statement today saying the Democrats have gone too far with extreme legislation.
You could have shifts in policy in Colorado.
UCCS political science professor Josh Dunn says it's not fully set in stone. It's not likely in the near future, but if Republicans gain control of the House, Senate, and governor's office, abortion laws could be changed in Colorado. As for the abortion issue swinging outcomes in upcoming elections, it won't affect most races. Dunn says inflation is the more pressing issue.
You know, we know that historically voters primarily vote based on the economic performance of the economy.
Esgar also understands that future legislatures could change the law. She says a question needs to go on the ballot asking voters to change the state's constitution and make it more difficult to change abortion laws.